Hello, welcome to Cher's Bedtime Stories, Dad and Son English Journey. Today's story is The Little Seed. Look at the seed. It is very small, not tall at all. Water makes it grow. Green leaves start to show, moving very slow. The sky is soft red. Time for its bed. Rest its little head. Close your eyes tight. Everything is alright. Sleep well tonight.